mantap. Selain ya, sekarang FIREFLY saya akan naik FIREFLY flight 2584. Okay. Oh, hai.
Panggilan akhir penerbangan FIREFLY besar FY 2584.
Kita ini dia FIREFLY flight 2584. Okay, akan terbang ke TAWAU guys. Hope you enjoy. Ada FIREFLY. lagi aku. Right. Finally. You're right.
In the dark of night, the stars light up the sky. We see them flying free. That's just like you and me. Everyone is lonely sometimes, but I would walk 1,000 miles to see you rise. You are not alone, we're family. Hold me, let's escape all this reality. You are my symphony. By your side, we have unity. You are my energy, my guiding light. We are unity. We are unity. We are unity. Although the rain might pour, the thunder starts to roar. The lightning wakes the wave, but through it we are brave. Everyone is lonely sometimes, but I would walk 1,000 miles to see you rise. You and
So, itu saja lah. Yeah. I'll see you next. So,
Next, naik bus lagi. Lu kalau balik tahu dari TAWAU VKK.
okay. Bye.